What?
Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord.
Y'all, Kim had us stopping because she saw the ring of her dreams. Look up, Marlon. Say cheese. Sorry. So which is the one that the girl was talking about that smells like you said they're about to have you again? Which is the one that smells like, does it smell really good?
It smells good.
Tropadelic. Thank you. Oh, okay. Which one is it? Pure Wonder?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we know
really
1,000
sweet.
wishes.
I like that. It's pretty.
Oh, it is pretty. It's really light too. It's not too all in your face. What's going on?
What?
What are you smelling?
Oh, the smell is in here too.
Oh, let me smell.
It's always in the cloak.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's.
So guys, this is my look of the day. We were doing some content and ended up coming out pretty late, and I was like, you know what, I am not gonna put on no like clothes, no jeans, no nothing like that. I'm putting on this t-shirt. I got this t-shirt from Zara, I think last year. This like slightly puffer jacket from Zara, and then I also got I got these pants from Cozy Earth, and then my shoes are from H&M, and then I have the bag from Nubella. So yeah, it's a really cute bag. The quality of the leather is pretty good too, vegan leather. It's really nice. It's a really nice tote, just easy, simple, you know. And so yeah, y'all, so like my makeup down here, I did not bring it down. I really don't like bringing down my makeup, my foundation, because like I don't want to get it on my clothes and stuff. I hate that. But I am definitely working on hi Kim for getting my like the color of my neck and everything right and together, like for my like trying to choose the best foundation and stuff like that. Right now I'm using NARS's Marquise's, and so yeah, it's working. It's or not working, but it goes well with my chest. But it might be too that the seasons are changing, the weather is changing. Like I might be getting, and however the weather change thing goes, however it go, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, so this is my look of the day. It was easy, cool, chill, and neutral. And y'all know I'm into my neutrals these days too. Oh, they couldn't make up their mind what they wanted to create. J. Crew? I don't know. We'll have to go look and see. We could just go look on the other end of the mall. So guys, Kim is looking for something for the Ebony Kentucky Derby themed event that we're going to be going to in a couple of weeks. And so we're here at Loft. Well, now we're not, but we were at Loft. Oh yeah, they are cute pants. We were at Loft because she's trying to find something floral, nicely printed, because that is what Kentucky Derby prints, or rather looks, are about.
Like
Prints and color, yeah. Oh, where are they now? Okay. Did you want to still go? Okay. That's beautiful. I love this one here.
Yeah, that's funny.
I wish I had sleeves. Why does everything have to not have a sleeve?
I had to stop y'all rooting for ladies, baby, because some bobs is banging to get y'all hair.
Thank you. A girl named Kelsey. What's up, Mendy's? Kelsey.
Mandy.
Yeah.
You have information. Y'all,
Two different people cut our hair.
Thank you.
Y'all so pretty. My daughter started trying to say, baby,
Y'all
the
look
bobs
like
is
this.
in.
Okay. Night gardenia. Night gardenia. Is that a home? Is it a home scent or is it a perfume? That's a home scent. No, that might be an actual perfume. Oh, that's cute. But not what you're supposed to be looking for.
I know, it never is.
What?
I want to belt this color.
That tan?
And this brown is good too.
Those are nice belts.
I only have black. And I have like a white one. They don't have my size. They only have this little tiny, this little tiny, not yet, not ever.
Ralph Lauren has a tan belt.
Oh, really?
Mine is a reverse tan.
I know. I don't want that RL on there.
But you're going to get off my belt because my belt is bomb. Thank you. What? Zara, why not? So guys, again, I would say no luck. We don't believe in luck, but still, she'll find a
No
dress.
success here.
But what's funny though is that I need to find one too. I didn't realize I need to find a dress.
I thought you found one.
Not for the Ebony event.
No? That's
No.
not what the floral's for?
No. Oh, it is. My bad. But I remembered that we're also being honored by Maui Bigelow
Flying Bobs.
and for the lifestyle honors this month.
Oh, yeah, I need to color my hair.
I do too, and I need to go and get it cut shorter. So we got a lot of stuff that we got to do, y'all.
Tell me, should I get a quick weave for the May events or should I keep my bob? Look what came in the mail. Guys, look at this. This is Kristin Ess, my friends at Kristin Ess PR. They sent me over a package. They reached out to me on Instagram and they just wanted to gift me some stuff. they like my content, and so they just wanted to gift me something. And so this is what they sent. Like, I am so impressed with this. This looks so good. The presentation is amazing. I've never tried their products before, but I am super excited about this conditioner here because it says instantly detangling, and so I'm really excited about that. And I like the gently clarifying. I do like something that's going to be probably a little bit harsher to get the product out of my hair so that I can have a really good silk press. But the one that like I said, the conditioner is like the one that I'm so excited to use because I don't like to strip my hair. Like, I don't like to kind of rip my hair out. But then I'm also excited to see what this dry shampoo is. On my Instagram, I did a video of me retouching my hair, my silk press, with a dry shampoo. So I'm excited to use this. I'm not a novice, I guess, when you will say, when it comes to dry shampoos. Like, I'm pretty familiar with them. But then I'm also like this workable hairspray. I'm hoping that it's like my finishing spray, my Kenra finishing spray. You never can have too many products to, you know, kind of rotate. And so I'm excited to try that one too. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited about this.
Hey guys, so we are on our way out to get a bite to eat, but I wanted to show you guys my look of the day. I got this white button down from H&M. I have these pants. They're cargo pants. It's like a windbreaker material almost, but they're from the Gap. And then I have on my Adidas, Lord, what's the name of the shoe? Oh yeah, the Court sneaker. It's a women's sneaker, and y'all, these are really cute. I'm in love with the whole like Parisian European look, and most people see that like as they call it like the old people look or whatever, but I mean, it's really not. And for somebody like me who's into modest looks and things like that, like it really fits and it really works well for me. And so I'm in love with it. Like, I love my whole look. And then I have on my Tory Burch Fleming bag, and so I just thought that this whole look worked so well together. It looks so good, y'all. It's just chilled, laid back. And so a lot of times we feel like chilled and laid back has to be a pair of bummy sweats or a t-shirt with holes in it or whatever. And no, we ain't going out like that. So if you want to do oversized, because that is a thing, then oversized is good. I love my brows. Oh my gosh, I love my brows. They look so good. I don't know if I'll be able to accomplish this again. Either way, I love them. And hopefully I will be able to, but I normally do a pretty good brow though. So, and then I have on my Rose Envy lip oil by, had to get that out of there. Okay. If y'all saw that before, then yeah, excuse that. But I have on my Rose Envy lip oil by Elf Cosmetics. And I love this lip oil, y'all. I'm into lip oils now. Like, you can save the glosses and all that for everybody else. I love lip oils. They're really, really good and moisturizing for our lips. And I love like a lot of the colors that they come in with, different brands and stuff like that. So yeah, this is Rose Envy, and it's by Elf Cosmetics. And y'all, don't forget to shop the Sephora sale because it is going on until the 15th, and you want to be able to get in and get you some really good things, a lot of stuff that you may not get when it's not on sale. About to head out, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Guys, we're about to get some food, like I said earlier, and I'm so excited because we're eating at Bellina's, and I'm excited about this Italian food. It's gonna be good. We'll show you inside.